So, yesterday I managed to build up a little bit of Atlas bucks and made enough of a gain to spend on another parcel. Then Atlas Reality decided in the early evening hours yesterday to get two very short minigame events in golfing happening in the same day. The first one was a 20-minute one that seemed to only pay out a top 25 and no state payout, and I managed to be one of those top 25, picking up 35 Atlas bucks and spending 19 for a profit of 16 Atlas bucks. Then they had a second one an hour later, 40 minutes long this time, and it resulted in spending about 45 Atlas bucks to win 230 for a 185 Atlas buck profit. So total, I profited 201 Atlas bucks from minigames yesterday, and I now have 514 Atlas bucks total to spend on parcels. I need to save 200 at least from minigames, so that means we're going to be spending 300 of them. 3 parcels today, so let's do it. And the first one is a rare. Very nice. All right, we're going to spin it again. And the second one is going to be a common. And the final spin. Final spin, will it get us our first legendary? No, it's going to be a rare. Alright, so we have 2 rares and a common, so we're going to put that into our simulator and see where we stand. And where we stand now is 7 parcels of land. That's 214 Atlas bucks. And we gain an extra penny per day, so it's going to be 2.3 cents today for our gains. That is not bad at all. If we get another minigame, I wouldn't mind trying to get a few more, but here we are, day 5, and we're already got more parcels than we got days, so we're catching up very quick to 150, and of course, remember, once we hit 40 parcels, we got to go buy a badge first. It is now time to do some spinning. Do I have this mic working properly? I think I do. Okay, cool. Let's go spin wheel, and let's spin the wheel. And the first one is a 1. Next one. Another 1. Am I going to get 5 straight 1s today? Well, 3 straight 1s. Let's go for 4. Spin number 4 is a 2. Okay, that got broken. We'll watch one more ad, and then we'll move on. And the final spin is a 1. So, 4 1s and a 2 today for a total of 6 Atlas bucks. So, I actually have a couple tidbits that I want to show you guys. This first set is going to be from the Q&A, if you guys remember the holiday Q&A. Well, I had a file that I was originally going to upload as the actual Q&A. However, some of the scenes in it are changed from the one that eventually came out, because I basically forgot to bring the revised file with me up to DC, and I didn't want to go without a holiday video. So today, I'm going to show some of those differed scenes. Hope you guys enjoy that. And then we're going to move on, and we're going to talk about a weird golfing minigame that I had over that weekend, basically, the New Year's weekend. So, all right, let's go to that scene now. Goat NH asks, how much coal will be in Arn's stocking for backing out of a bet he lost? This much. I'm not much of a movie watcher, so I'm not going to answer that question, but favorite video game? I have many different favorite video games. And it really does depend on how I'm feeling. Right now, I'm really into No Man's Sky, and I've been playing that a lot, and I've always gone back to that. If I go with the game that I have played the most number of hours in, it would probably be Minecraft. That's a close one, actually. Between Minecraft, I mean, I have like 7,000 hours into NGU Idle, which is an idle game. But that's one of those games that you kind of have to leave on in the background while you go to sleep, and then you wake up. So you're not really playing all 7,000 of those hours. So I would say that it would have to be one of the open world games. Minecraft, No Man's Sky, American Truck Simulator. Random user with a whole bunch of letters and numbers asks, can I go on your honeymoon if I pay for half of it? No. Melancholic Sky. which has an avatar very similar to Akari. I am not sure if this is Akari or if this is just, I'm just seeing things and I'm just kind of like getting trauma from getting my butt beat in the last fishing marathon earlier this week. But anyways, Melancholic Sky asks, do you like pizza rolls or beer more? Well, since I can't have beer because I have a chronic illness, pizza rolls by default. Also, I posted this mini game up over the weekend that I was supposed to be off because I wanted to show an example of kind of one of the errors of the mini games, basically, and all the mini game issues that we were having. However, they have fixed the back end apparently in the new year. We did have a test with the 2 mini games. Everything ran super smoothly, so hopefully we won't see too much of this running around any longer. So yeah, not bad. I'm just going to go straight to the end of the day. This is going to be a rather short video. I didn't really have much planned for this Friday, but let's go to the end of day 5, and here we have... Okay, so I have just broken the $25 minimum threshold in Benjamin. That's my update here in 5 days. Thank you to the 2 referrals and the 2 games that I played to get myself to this point. Of course, especially thank you to all of you who have signed up with my link as well. You guys are awesome. Though I'm starting to wonder if I have too many referrals, would that be unfair? Should I put a referral cap, especially for something as large as Benjamin, where I get a $6 referral bonus every single time someone makes $6 on this, and it's like, how many people are going to have even one referral complete the $6 needed to get them that $6, let alone, as many as I could possibly have. So I don't know about that, but let's get to cashing out first. So let's go ahead and go back to today's earnings, and we're going to click withdraw. Now, I have already done something in advance. I will let you know. They do require a know your client kind of thing where they require your ID, government ID, name, address, last 4 digits of a social security number, and stuff like that before you are allowed to withdraw. I have already done that. So we have 2 options here, and we have instant gift cards with bonus value. I don't know what this would have, but let's see what is in here. And I am checking. I have not seen this yet. Okay, so we got Ulta, Walgreens, Uber, Buffalo Wild Wings, Amazon, which has no bonus. The one I was most interested in were Walmart and Sam's Club, and Walmart has no bonus. Best Buy is a 2% bonus. Lowe's is a 4% bonus. Those are possible. Yeah, and I don't see a Sam's Club here. So I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw the old-fashioned way because I'm not looking to get anything from like Fanatics or Nautica or H&M. So I am going to exit prize out, and we're going to withdraw my earnings via ACH transfer. So give me a moment, and I'll be right back. And yeah, that's great. That's an extra 29 bucks. I'm quite happy with that. So that's going to put us into a huge jump in cash out, just in general. Now I'm ready to go to the end of the day. So the good news here is that we now have a cash out of $29.38 from Benjamin. Again, thank you to 2 of the referrals who have managed to fill everything out. And of course, the allotment of games that were there. And I'm going to play another game actually over the weekend. I'm looking at maybe one of the merge games. We'll see. But I don't want it to take up too much of my time. But I do want to try to get as much of a start that I possibly can with this so that we can move on to the actual investing portion a little bit faster. Matter of fact, because of Benjamin, I originally thought I was going to have to wait till February to actually start talking about investments and other credit and all that. But it looks like we might be starting as soon as like a couple weeks from now, actually. I am going to take a break because I'll be doing videos for 7 days straight. So that's going to be very tiring. I will do a very short one for day 10. Maybe it'll take like 5 minutes tops, unless there's something I have to talk about. But the very next video after day 7 that I'm planning on putting at least a moderate amount of effort on is going to be the Mac Adam review, which will be on the 13th. Speaking of Mac Adam, I'm currently at 2,265 coins on that one, and I haven't really been looking too much into that right now, which I will be, and seeing what other games they might have as well, and if it's worth the draw there. So I might do some compare and contrast with Benjamin or Cashwalk or elsewhere, especially with Cashwalk. That seems to be their main rival here. And also kind of compare and contrast Mac Adam with Cashwalk for that review. Now, for the rest, I also have added receipts right here. So these points came from receipts and account additions. So basically connecting my account to their app and getting extra points for that, and they'll be able to get out e-receipts that much quicker. So that's pretty much it for today. Oh, I forgot to add a point. Well, I think it's like 2.3 cents now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Or did I already do that? I think it is 2.3 cents. So it is 5.5 cents. I'm going to double check just to make sure. Yeah, I have not done it yet. I haven't recorded yet. It was 2.3 cents for 5.5 cents. So that is the video, everyone. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment wherever you want regarding, the Benjamin Cashout. What do you think about Know Your Client? So here's the question I'm going to put in the comment section. What do you think of Know Your Client verification? Do you think that more apps should be using it? Do you think that any app should be using it at all? How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.